Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're bringing you the ultimate guide for finding the best vlogging camera and sharing our top 5 recommendations for the best vlogging cameras of 2024. Choosing the right camera is crucial for vlogging, and with so many options available, it can be challenging. Whether you're an experienced vlogger or just starting, or if you're looking to upgrade your vlogging camera, we've got you covered. Our selection includes cameras ranging from budget-friendly to high-end, catering to both entry-level and professional users. If you are interested in specific details and the updated price of this vlogging camera, you can find the link in the video description. So, without further ado, let's dive into our top 5 picks. Number 5. GoPro HERO12 Black. The latest version of the GoPro Hero series is the HERO12 Black, known for its durable construction, impressive video quality, and versatile features. With its compact and sturdy design, the HERO12 Black is ideal for various adventures. It is waterproof up to 33 feet, allowing for underwater use without additional housing. The camera is equipped with a 2.27-inch front display and a 1.4-inch rear display, offering clear visuals for framing shots. The standout feature of the GoPro HERO12 Black is its video capability. It can capture 3K video at 60 frames per second, providing ultra-high definition footage with exceptional detail. Additionally, it can record slow-motion footage in 4K at 120 frames per second, and 7K at 240 frames per second. The enhanced hyper-smooth 6.0 stabilization ensures steady and shake-free videos, even in challenging conditions. Navigating the HERO12 Black is straightforward with its user-friendly touchscreen interface, allowing quick adjustment of settings such as resolution, frame rate, and field of view. The camera also features voice control for hands-free operation. Audio quality is a key factor for vlogging, and the HERO12 Black delivers with its 3 microphones, equipped with advanced wind noise reduction for clear and crisp audio in various environments. For enhanced audio, the camera supports external microphones through the Media Mod accessory, enabling professional-level audio quality. Sharing content is seamless, with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth allowing connectivity to the GoPro app for camera control, shot preview, and file transfer for editing and sharing. The GoPro HERO12 Black offers up to 2 times longer runtime compared to the previous model, capable of recording up to 70 minutes of 5.3K 60p video and up to 58 minutes of 4K 120p video. With sufficient card capacity, it can even record over 90 minutes of 5.3K 30p video. The HERO12 Black is compatible with a wide array of mounts and accessories, providing versatility for various needs. Furthermore, the Media Mod, Light Mod, and Display Mod expand creative possibilities even further. Pros: Pro-level video stabilization, HDR recording option, budget-friendly price, portrait video recording for social media, lots of shooting modes and features available. Cons: overheats with a lot of use, poor low-light performance, mediocre battery when shooting continuously. In summary, the GoPro HERO12 Black represents an excellent option for vloggers and content creators seeking a dependable, high-performance camera. Its exceptional video quality, advanced stabilization, and versatile features distinguish it within its category. The camera is particularly well-suited for vloggers and social media creators aiming to produce content in both 16:9 and 9:16 aspect ratios from the same footage. Number 4. Nikon Z30. The latest entrant by Nikon into the vlogging camera market is the Nikon Z30, which is gaining attention for all the right reasons. It is compact, robust, and feature-packed, catering to the requirements of content creators. The Nikon Z30 is designed to be lightweight and compact, making it ideal for filming on the go. It boasts a durable build quality and a comfortable grip, ensuring extended vlogging sessions without strain. Additionally, it features a vari-angle touchscreen that flips out, making it effortless to frame shots from any position, whether you're in front of or behind the camera. In terms of video quality, the Nikon Z30 lives up to expectations, capturing stunning 4K UHD at 30p, resulting in sharp and vibrant footage. The autofocus performs admirably, swiftly, and accurately, tracking faces and eyes, even in challenging lighting conditions. Furthermore, for slow motion shots, it offers full HD at 120p, adding a cinematic touch to your videos. Audio quality is given significant attention, and the Nikon Z30 excels in this aspect as well. It comes with a built-in stereo microphone that captures clear and natural sound. Moreover, if you wish to elevate your audio quality, it includes an external microphone input, enabling the connection of high-quality microphones for professional-grade sound. Seamless connectivity is imperative for vloggers, and the Nikon Z30 offers various options. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, it facilitates easy file transfer to your smartphone or tablet for quick editing and sharing. Notably, the impressive battery life allows for up to 2 hours of continuous shooting on a single charge. If more power is needed, the battery is replaceable, or a power bank can be used. The Nikon Z30 is tailored with vloggers in mind, evident in its user-friendly features. The intuitive menu system is easy to navigate, and the customizable buttons allow for personalized configuration of the camera. Furthermore, it includes built-in image stabilization, ensuring smooth and steady shots even when capturing on the move. Pros: portable design, bright, fully articulated screen. Fade tracking works well in video. Good overall autofocus. No recording time limit. Cons: no headphone jack. No sensor stabilization. Prone to overheating when recording in 4K. Limited lens options. The Z30 is designed for vloggers and content creators. Its fully articulated touchscreen is especially useful for vlogging, and the automatic selfie mode activates when you tilt the screen forward. The video performance is impressive, and it can capture 4K UHD footage without any cropping, which is great for using wide-angle lenses. This camera is an ideal option for vloggers, travel enthusiasts, and anyone aiming to produce exceptional content. Number 3. Sony Alpha ZV-E10. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 caters to vloggers, combining user-friendly features and professional quality. Its lightweight and compact design makes it convenient for on-the-go shooting. The comfortable grip and intuitive button layout ensure easy handling and quick adjustments. This camera features a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, delivering exceptional detail and sharpness. It can capture 4K video at 30 FPS and Full HD at 120 FPS, perfect for recording slow-motion footage. The outstanding autofocus includes Sony's real-time eye autofocus and real-time tracking for sharp focus in all conditions. For excellent audio quality, it comes with a directional 3-capsule mic that minimizes background noise. Additionally, it has a standard 3.5mm mic jack and a digital audio interface via the multi-interface shoe for using an external microphone. The fully articulating flip-out screen is a standout feature, making it easy to frame shots when filming oneself or capturing challenging angles. With a solid battery life of up to 125 minutes of continuous video recording, and the option to use an external power bank for longer shoots, the ZV-E10 is reliable. It also offers great connectivity options including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB-C for easy file transfers, and remote control via your smartphone. Pros: excellent features for vloggers and content creators. Best-in-class autofocus. Bright front-facing LCD. Clear in-camera microphone. Small size. Cons: battery drains quickly. No electronic viewfinder. Slow motion limited to 1080p. No 4K/60p video mode. The ZV-E10 has become a very popular camera that enhances the video capabilities compared to its main competitor upon release. If you need a compact, versatile camera with features tailored for content creators, then absolutely yes, it's a great investment that can elevate your vlogging content. Number 2. Canon EOS R50. The Canon EOS R50 is a versatile and compact mirrorless camera designed specifically for vloggers and content creators. It joins Canon's expanding EOS R series, combining advanced features with user-friendly design, making it an ideal choice for those who want high-quality video and photography in a portable package. One of its standout features is the flip-out touchscreen, which is a game-changer for vloggers as it allows them to see themselves while recording, ensuring they are always in frame. The touchscreen is also very responsive, making it easy to navigate menus and settings. Now, let's discuss image quality. The EOS R50 features a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, delivering stunning high-resolution images and videos with vibrant colors. It performs exceptionally well in both bright sunlight and low-light conditions. Speaking of low light, the EOS R50 has impressive ISO capabilities with a range from 100 to 25,600, expandable up to 51,200. This means you can capture clear, noise-free footage even in dimly lit environments, perfect for nighttime vlogs or indoor shoots. For aspiring filmmakers, the Canon EOS R50 offers 4K video recording at 30 frames per second and Full HD at up to 120 frames per second. This provides plenty of flexibility to capture cinematic shots or slow-motion footage. Additionally, it comes with dual-pixel CMOS AF, providing fast and accurate autofocus essential for keeping your videos sharp and professional looking. Another fantastic feature is the built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing for easy transfer of photos and videos to your smartphone or tablet for quick editing and sharing. The Canon EOS R50 offers decent battery life, allowing continuous recording of video for up to 1 hour, enabling you to set up your video and keep your vlog, podcast, or other video project rolling without worrying about it stopping. Pros: very compact and lightweight. Good video features. Works well with EF mount DSLR lenses. Fantastic autofocus with subject recognition. Front-facing LCD and eye-level EVF. Cons: limited physical controls. Skips 4K 60 and C-Log support. Poor handheld video stability. The Canon EOS R50 qualifies as a potent and conveniently portable choice for vloggers in search of top-tier video and photo capabilities packaged in a user-friendly form. Its advanced autofocus, superior image quality, and adaptable shooting features position it as a distinguished option for both novices and seasoned content creators. Whether the intention is to document daily activities, embark on travels, or produce professional content, the Canon EOS R50 equips users with the tools necessary to generate remarkable visuals and compelling videos. Number 1. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 represents a compact, versatile, and powerful camera tailored to the needs of both amateur and professional videographers. Its key features include exceptional portability, with an incredibly small and lightweight design for effortless transportation in a pocket or bag. The ergonomic design is optimized for one-handed operation, featuring intuitive controls for effortless navigation. The camera is equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing 20MP still photos and 4K video at up to 60 FPS in normal mode. Its 3-axis gimbal ensures smooth and stable footage, even during movement, while the ActiveTrack 6.0 feature enables precise subject tracking for vlogging and dynamic shooting. High dynamic range, HDR video capture provides exceptional detail in both shadows and highlights, and the camera offers 4K 120 FPS slow motion capabilities for capturing high-speed action in remarkable detail. Seamless connectivity to smartphones for remote control, live preview, and rapid content sharing is facilitated through Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities. The camera's companion app provides robust editing tools, tutorials, and the ability to live stream directly from the camera. Moreover, the Osmo Pocket 3 offers up to 166 minutes of continuous recording on a single charge, with a fast charging feature to minimize downtime. Pros: larger 1-inch CMOS sensor, 4K 120 FPS slow-mo video, impressive battery life and fast charging, large tilting touchscreen, easy to change between portrait and landscape shooting. Cons: no built-in storage, image resolution and quality is lacking, expensive price. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a fantastic choice for capturing high-quality videos and photos while on the move. Its blend of portability, advanced features, and ease of use makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. It's no surprise that it's popular among YouTubers. I highly recommend it to anyone who wants a hassle-free way to document their life, family, and travels. For most people, the normal package is sufficient, and the Creator Combo is for those who create professionally. The Osmo Pocket 3 is a reliable and powerful camera that won't disappoint.
And there you have it, folks. Our top 5 picks for the best vlogging cameras of 2024. Which one caught your eye?
Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy ending.